A very good morning to everyone and आज हम करने वाले हैं vocabulary through the newspaper. So whoever is giving competitive exams, आप सबको पता है how important it is to read the newspaper every day, not just for your current affairs, but also for your vocabulary. So today we're going to do it through the Hindu and I'm starting with the editorial section. So first article है India's DPI is catching the next wave. Okay. मैंने बहुत बारी बोला है कि it's important to understand the context and what the sentence is trying to say. Okay, so here's the first word, marvel. Read the sentence. Okay, India's digital public infrastructure, loosely the India Stack and More, is a marvel of our times. So what could marvel mean? It basically means a wonderful thing or a wonderful person. Okay, a chamatkar. It can also be a verb, that is to be amazed. For example, she marveled at the improvement in her city's infrastructure. So she was amazed by it. Okay. So let's move on to the next word, that is engendering. Okay. Engendering sustained collective action at scale between so many disparate entities itself, etc. etc. Engendering का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को पैदा करना या फिर to cause or to give rise to. For example, her latest book engendered a lot of controversy. Okay, her latest book created a lot of controversy. So let's look at some synonyms of this word. One would be to kindle. Okay, kindle also means light a fire or rouse. Trigger. A very important one to know that is used quite commonly is beget. Beget. Beget basically means to cause or bring about. Okay, so what could be some antonyms of this? That would be to stop, to abolish, or to quash. Okay, so next is disparate. So between so many disparate entities itself. So disparate basically means different in every way. First try to break down this word. Okay, where does this word parrot comes from? It comes from parity, right? Parity is similarity. So there's that word parity and disparity. Parity is similarity, disparity is difference. Okay, so a situation where two people or two things are different. So disparate would be different in every way. For example, those two fight because they have disparate personalities. Okay, so let's look at some synonyms. One would be contrasting. Or dissimilar or poles apart. Poles apart, where does it come from? Basically, you know how Earth has the North Pole and South Pole, and that like they're so far from each other, they're so different from each other. That's basically what poles apart would mean. That this person and that person are very different from each other. They are poles apart. Okay, so next is affirmed. Just give me a second. Yeah, so read the sentence. The judgment of the Supreme Court of India had affirmed privacy to be sacrosanct. So what could this mean? This means that affirmed is to declare publicly, okay, या फिर to publicly state something. Okay, let's look at the synonyms. One is proclaim. Or pledge. Or asservate. ASSERVATE. That is to publicly say something. And understand the meaning of the sentence. Affirmed privacy to be sacrosanct. This means that they said that privacy is very important. Sacrosanct is too important to be interfered with. For example, some synonyms would be sacred, okay? Although sacred and sacrosanct are related to religion and something that is holy, they are also used for something that is very important. Inviolable and unchallengeable. Okay, so next is incentivize. UIDAI is racing ahead to incentivize Aadhaar usage. Incentivize basically means to motivate someone to do something. Okay, for example, if for me to take this job, I need incentive in the form of salary. Okay, that would be, and the salary would motivate me to take this job. Okay, next is an interesting phrase that is leapfrogging. ठीक है, leapfrogging का क्या मतलब होता है कि किसी और से आगे बढ़ जाना, to move ahead or pass someone or something in such a way that you are in the dominant position. Okay, so let's move on to the next article. Human life above all. So इसके first sentence में there's this word confounding. Okay, read the sentence. It is confounding how something that is stridently good in ethical and legal terms can run into a wall of opposition. So confounding basically means confusing or surprising. Okay, so you can remember it this way. Confusing also starts with con and so does confounding, right? So what could be some synonyms of this? One would be startling, or stupefying. Stupefying. Okay, stupefying is more to do with shock. ठीक है, तो if I am shocked, I can say I am stupefied. और a word that बहुत commonly use किया जाता है, that is baffle. Baffle का मतलब होता है confuse. So next is kerfuffle. Read the sentence. And the unprecedented kerfuffle that followed, with doctors in the state vehemently protesting what they called a draconian law. Kerfuffle का मतलब होता है बहस या commotion. All right. So a synonym of this would be furor. FURORE. फ्यूरोर का मतलब होता है अप्रोर इन द पब्लिक. तो इसका एंटोनिम क्या हो सकता है? ट्रैंक्विलिटी या पीस या ऑर्डर. ओके. वेहेमेंटली प्रोटेस्टिंग. वेहेमेंट मतलब बहुत पैशन के साथ, बहुत जीलसनेस के साथ. ओके, जील इज पैशन. So some a synonym of this would be fervently. FERVENTLY. Please do try to make sentences out of these words or अपनी daily life में use करना, because then it will be easier for you to remember. Okay, another one is fervidly. FERVIDLY. Draconian का मतलब होता है very harsh. You may have seen this word very often in the news, because sometimes some laws are criticized as draconian. Draconian is very severe or very harsh. Okay, तो इसका एंटोनिम क्या हो सकता है? lenient. ठीक है, not strict, lenient or merciful. Okay, next. Catastrophic. All right, so read the sentence. Seeks to provide protection and fulfillment of rights, equity in relation to health and well-being, etc., etc. Access to quality health care for all residents of the state without any catastrophic out-of-pocket expenditure. Okay, so catastrophic का मतलब होता है something that is very bad या फिर very large scale पे कुछ हो, ठीक है? जैसे कि we define natural disasters as catastrophic because they're so big, okay, they're so bad, they are catastrophic. So a synonym of this would be calamitous. Or cataclysmic. Cataclysmic. Okay, it basically means devastating. Okay, next is apprehensive. The protesting doctors also claim to be apprehensive of the government's interference in their functioning once the law is enforced. Apprehensive मतलब scared कि कुछ हो जाए, किसी चीज के होने का डर. Okay, for instance यहाँ पे synonym क्या हो सकता है? Anxious या फिर trepidatious. Okay, let me write that down here. Trepidatious. Trepidatious is nervous or fearful of something. So what could be some antonyms of this? Apprehensive is if you're very scared of something happening, you're very anxious about it. तो इसका antonym क्या हो सकता है? Oblivious. Okay. Oblivious. Oblivious का मतलब होता है unaware. Okay. Next is incumbent. Read the sentence. It is also incumbent upon the doctors to rise above the differences and work with the government to save lives. तो incumbent का मतलब एक तो ये होता है when you're holding office, ठीक है, but its other meaning and जो meaning इस sentence में use हो रहा है that is important as a duty या responsibility. मतलब ये मेरी duty या responsibility है तो it is incumbent upon me. Okay. So synonym of this would be obligatory. Obligatory का मतलब होता है mandatory या binding. Okay, या फिर imperative. Imperative का क्या मतलब होता है? Very important. So let's move on now. Next is this, a hard-handed response that strikes at the root of rights. So इसमें the first meaning is implications. Okay, implications के बहुत meanings हो सकते हैं, but इसमें मतलब है consequence. Read the sentence. The government's response has been predictable. It constituted a panel to study the implications of a return to the OPS. To study the effects of a return to the OPS. Okay. It can also mean, let me just write down the meaning here. Result or consequence. Okay. What can it also mean? It can also mean कि समथिंग जो एक्सप्लिसिटली बताया ना जाए, जो क्लियरली बताया ना जाए, लेकिन फिर भी हम उससे कोई कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो दैट वुड बी एन इम्प्लीकेशन. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्राइकिंग. स्ट्राइकिंग मीन्स कोई भी चीज जो नोटिसेबल हो बिकॉज वो डिफरेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल her beauty is striking. Okay, it's so noticeable because it's so different. She's so beautiful that it is striking. तो इसका एंटोनिम क्या हो सकता है? इनकंस्पिक्यूअस. Incon, SPICUO INCON SPICUOUS. ओके, इनकंस्पिक्यूस का मतलब होता है नॉट इजीली नोटिसेबल. इनकंस्पिक्यूस का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? कंस्पिक्यूस. दैट वुड बी इजीली नोटिसेबल, राइट? नेक्स्ट, दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड बिकॉज ये आपके कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स में आ सकता है. इनवोक. ओके, read the sentence. Since 1960 the government's approach, be it central or state government, to strikes by their employees has been to invoke ESMA. Okay, so invoke का क्या मतलब होता है? To put into use. Okay, or it can also mean to call on. Okay, so for example, the press invoked its right to freedom. Okay, so it put into use or called on its right to freedom. Now, how is this different from the word evoke? है ना? Give me 1 second और मैं इसको यहाँ पे लिखूंगी. Okay, so evoke usually यूज होता है for intangible things. Intangible का क्या मतलब होता है? Something that cannot be felt, okay, or seen. So it's basically the same meaning as invoke, that is to call on, okay, but ये उन चीजों के लिए यूज होता है जो intangible होती है, जो हम देख नहीं सकते, फील नहीं कर सकते. सॉरी, फील कर सकते हैं, हम देख नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इमोशंस. ठीक है, फॉर इंस्टेंस स्माइलिंग पीपल एवोक हैप्पीनेस. जब हम स्माइलिंग लोगों को देखते हैं तो हमें हैप्पीनेस होती है. ओके, सो व्हेन वी लुक एट स्माइलिंग पीपल, इट इज bringing forward an emotion, it is evoking an emotion, and that is happiness. ठीक है, so that's the difference. Okay, evoke is for intangible things and invoke is for usually tangible things or intangible things. Okay, next is peculiarities. This is an interesting word. Okay, the question of essentiality will of course depend on the peculiarities prevalent in countries. Peculiarities के दो मतलब हो सकते हैं. One is कोई भी चीज जो odd या strange हो. Strange और odd. बट अगर आप सेंटेंस समझेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि इस सेंटेंस में इसका ये मीनिंग नहीं यूज हो रहा है. यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है इज peculiarity can also mean a characteristic या कोई भी क्वालिटी जो सिर्फ एक पर्सन या एक ही चीज को बिलोंग करती हो. ठीक है, all right, so that is it for today. And last is this word amicable. Amicable means friendly. Okay, so I hope you understood these word meanings, and आप रोज try to make a list of these words and your vocabulary from the newspaper. I will also be helping you with it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.